Hi, everybody. It was good to meet everybody this week or last week, and I know that this class perhaps is the most impacted of all classes on campus with the craziness that's going on because we just started. Just a quick reminder that the homework closes every Saturday. So for Saturday the 14th, you have two assignments, the trig review and the fundamental identities assignment that are both due. For Tuesday of this week, I'm going to ask that you read section 5.2 and 5.3. That's on verifying identities and solving equations. And then, any questions that you have between now and Tuesday, throw them into the Padlet. And we'll answer those questions on Tuesday and kind of work through the solving trig equations is where I would like to spend the most of our time. On Thursday, let's see how Tuesday goes with our meeting now being entirely on Zoom. I may change a little bit of what's in here on Tuesday, depending. I know that things are going to slow down a little bit with what's happening on campus. So bear with me and a little bit of the lack of clarity. But I assure you, I will work with you. People have been really good about asking questions in the Padlet. I posted from this week, if you go into that Unit 1, Week 1 module, I've posted now a video with answers to those questions. So not only did I write down answers, but I also posted a video so you can just kind of fast forward through the video if all you want to see is my answer, or you can listen to the video if you want an explanation. So for this week, I'm looking forward to seeing everybody on Tuesday. That will be through Zoom, and I'll make sure that you get an email on exactly how we're going to do that through the Confer Zoom link that's here. I'm going to ask that you have gone through the verifying identities and the solving trig equations, and then we'll talk a little bit about how we're going to handle the assessment issues that are going to arise with our move to remote learning. So I look forward to seeing everybody. Email me if you have any questions.